Hello friends, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to learn about poison and antidotes. The learning objectives of this session to know the definition of poison and antidote, classification, different preparations, sodium thiosulfate, activated charcoal, and sodium nitrate. The poison in biology, poison is a substance that can cause disturbances in organisms, usually chemical reaction or other activity in the molecular scale when an organism absorbs the sufficient quantity of substance. Antidotes, these are the agents which are used to reverse, stop, or counteract the action of poisons. Generally, these are classified on the basis of mechanism of actions in three types: physiological antidotes, which are producing the effect opposite to that of produced by the poisons, which means to counteract the effect of poison physiologically. Example, sodium nitrate is used in the treatment of cyanide poisoning. Chemical antidote, it acts by combining with the poisons and thus changes the chemical nature such that the poison cannot act anymore. Example, sodium thiosulfate is used to treat cyanide poisoning. Mechanical antidote prevents the absorption of poison in the body or expelling out the poison by elimination through urine or emesis. Example, activated charcoal. The mechanism of action of sodium nitrate and sodium thiosulfate, intravenous infusion in cyanide poisoning. In cyanide poisoning, sodium nitrate and sodium thiosulfate injections are given to counteract the effect of cyanide poison. Sodium thiosulfate reacts with the cyanide ion and converts into the sodium thiocyanate, which is less toxic than the cyanide, while the sodium nitrate reacts with the ferrous iron and hemoglobin and converts it into the ferric ion of methemoglobin and thus reduces the concentration of cyanide ion. So this is the mechanism of action of chemical antidotes, that is sodium nitrate, uh, the antidotes which are used in the cyanide poisonings. So very first of all, sodium thiosulfate. The molecular formula of sodium thiosulfate Na2H2O3 5 water molecules. Molecular weight is 248.2. Sodium thiosulfate contains not less than 99% and not more than 101% of sodium thiosulfate in the right form. Properties: it is colorless, large scale or coarse crystalline powder. Odorless deliquescent in the most moist air and efflorescent in the dry air. Temperature above 30 degrees. Preparation: it can be prepared by boiling sodium sulfate with the sulfur Na2H2O3 plus sulfur, that will give the sodium thiosulfate. Assay: it is assayed by iodometric method in which accurately about 0.5 gram sample is weighed, dissolved in 20 ml of water and titrated with 0.05 molar iodine using star solution. At the end of the titration, star solution is added as the indicator. 1 ml with 0.05 molar iodine is equivalent to 0.02482 gram of sodium thiosulfate. Storage: it should be stored in a clean and dry place protected from moisture. Uses: it is useful as an antidote. The 10% solution is used intravenously, although 2.98% weight per volume solution is isotonic with the serum. It is also useful as a very important reducing agent and used as a standard titrant in the iodometric titrations. Another preparation is activated charcoal, which is useful as a physiological antidote. Uh, Physical antidote. It is a residue from the destructive distillation of various organic materials, treated specially to increase the absorption powder. Property: it is a black, odorless, tasteless powder free from gritty matter. Activated carbon is usually derived from the charcoal. It is sometimes utilized as a biochar. Those derived from coal and coke are referred as activated coal and activated coke respectively. Uses: activated charcoal is used as an absorbent in the treatment of diarrhea. It is also used as an antidote in the drug poisoning. Activated carbon is used in the gas purification, decaffeination, gold purification, metal extraction, water purification, medicines, sewage treatment, air filters, gas masks, and respirators, filters in compressed air, and many other applications. Next preparation is sodium nitrate. Molecular formula is NaNO2, molecular weight 69. It contains not less than 97% and not more than 101% of sodium nitrate with reference to the substance tried over silica gel. Properties: sodium nitrate occurs in the form of white granular powder or as a white crystalline crystals having a saline taste. It is water-soluble, sparingly soluble in alcohol. It is easily decomposed by the acidification of the dilute sulfuric acid. Chemically, it acts as a reducing agent and gets oxidized in the acidic medium. The preparation of sodium nitrate. The most suitable method involves passing of the nitrogen oxide gas obtained during the catalytic process, catalytic oxidation of ammonia and oxygen in the sodium carbonate solution. The solution is concentrated to crystallize out the product. Assay. It is assayed by weighing accurately 1 gram of sample and dissolving 100 ml of water solution. In volumetric flask, take 40 ml of 0.1 molar KMnO4 solution. Add 100 ml of water and 5 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid. In this, add 10 ml of solution. Shake and allow the mixture to stand for 5 minutes. Then add 25 ml of 0.05 molar oxalic acid solution and warm the mixture at 80 degrees and titrate the excess oxalic acid against 0.02 molar KMnO4 while hot. Perform a blank alongside 1 ml of 0.02 KMnO4 is equivalent to 3.4498 mg of sodium nitrate. The uses of mainly it is useful as an vasodilator. It is also useful as antidote in the cyanide poisoning. As a smooth muscle relaxant, it is useful as a rusting of surgical instruments. It is also used for the food preservatives. That means they preserve the foods.